People, I'm back again. There are some beautiful lightning strikes coming off of here. I am not kidding. Oh, stupid fly. Okay, anyway, there's beautiful lightning strikes. I mean, absolutely beautiful. I actually just saw one. Perfect shape, perfect everything. It was wonderful. Anyway, there are tons of lightning strikes. It should start up anytime soon again, because this storm is heaving water down the road. And look at that. That's not a river, I don't know what is. Anyway, good God! Okay, people, you have just witnessed a lightning strike at less than 200 feet from my house. The roof has been damaged. It's been burnt, pretty much, but not my house, so no need to worry. But I'm not kidding. 200 feet. That is incredible. I am still shaking.
And now my brother keeps smiling no matter what he does.
No, I'm not kidding. I'm shaking, people. This is incredible. Look at the damage that lightning strike did. Okay, you see that? The roof just tore off, pretty much. It is split. That was amazing. I mean, that was the best storm I've probably been ever in my life. Absolute best. Number one, rank this one.
Ever.
Today, August 21st.
You sure it's August 21st?
Yeah, I think. Well, hold on. 1 second. Mami, August 21st or 28th? Is today August 21st?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, people. August 21st, 2009.
Let me check on my Nintendo.
Hold on. August 24th, 2009. Lightning strike at 200 feet from my house. Oh my God, I'm so shaking. You're awesome. I stood next to 200 million volts and I survived. Yeah, baby, that's how I rule, man. That's how I roll. Dog, I mean, it's how I roll. I mean, I was scared. Yeah, but
It's
awesome!
Horrible, I tell you.
It was awesome. I mean, poor
Horrible.
house. I mean, someone's probably in that
Horrible.
house, but oh God, man, that
Horrible.
was incredible. I hope they're okay though.
Horrible.
I remember that lightning strike was so beautiful. I'm gonna get so many photos out of that one strike. Oh.
Horrible. Horrible. Horrible.
Anyway, people, finally, lightning strike at 200 feet. I thought I would never see it in my life, but I did. And guess what? It's awesome. I mean, it scares you to your bones and your
Skin.
soul, but yeah, you're okay. I'm okay. Brother's okay. Family's okay. Cousin's
Fire.
okay. Everyone's okay.
You can't even get a view of your family.
But that was incredible. I'm gonna review that footage later on. It's gonna be top footage.